Yes. Yeah, well, today is June 12th that we wait for so long. And I must tell you that today I went to court and the bottom line is that I get shafted, you know. I get shafted. I don't get, nothing was accomplished today. I must be honest. They stated that they set it off, modify it to suit, and the order that they dictate today is nothing uplifting. But I have made some blunder, you know. The judge did ask me, what do I want? But I know I can't just ask for things that I have to ask based upon what is in front of the court, you know. So if I just ask for things without going through the motion, and you know, no matter what I do, if I do this, then them say I should do that. If I should do that, you should do that, you know. But the bottom line is that it appears that the judge modified the restraining order to suit the school board, to help the school board out. Yeah, because the Washington said they need to have a court order to say why they are restricting me from having access to the children's record. So what they're doing now, they're now preparing a court order to help and support, and you know, to help the school. Just like they did back in 2013. 2013, the school said, no, we cannot have a restraining, we cannot say because there's a restraining order in place. I said, no, the restraining order have nothing to do. I bring transcript to the school and I go into the public record and get my divorce decree. It's a shared parental responsibility. I sure prove it to them. You know what they did? They just called me in, man, and just stamp and change my divorce decree right away. I modify it just to make it suit the restraining order. That's what they did in 2013. So now, not Washington get involved for say, boy, listen man, what is going on here? You have to have a court order to show why you're restricting this man from not having full access. So now they are now preparing an order to restrict my access. So instead of where right is respected, no, our right is more terminated. So we don't achieve anything today. You get what I'm saying? So I tell you, do not be crazy and try to do these things on yourself, because they're going to prove it's not about justice or what the Constitution is. You get what I'm saying? It's about a brotherhood. You get what I'm saying? If Judge Judy was here, them thing I wouldn't go on a Judge Judy court. We can assure you that. You get what I'm saying? Judge Judy, this thing can't go on a Judge Judy court. You get what I'm saying? But I blundered because the judge asked me what I want, and it appears that at that time I didn't say what I want at that time, because my opening statement I tell him what the issue is. I don't see my daughter for 13 for 9 years. So I never expect him to ask me what we want. I think him already say, and I already make that statement. But however, at that moment in time when he asked me when we want, you get what I'm saying? We never answer at that time. You get what I'm saying? But the bottom line is they modify today. They modify the restraining order. That's it. And I request a best interest hearing. Them and the best interest was set today, and they said they're going to treat it as a modification, have a modification hearing. So we got a modification hearing, and I turn out and say, no, we don't want to modify anything. You get what I'm saying? That's it. And nothing changed. Nothing changed. And my evidence and undisputed facts will not be considered. I have my sanction. I asked her, let's do the sanction hearing. And when we start to move on the sanction, I said Mr. Vaughn was subpoenaed to bring certain evidence to court. You get what I'm saying? And we're waiting. Mr. Vaughn said he don't know how to respond to a subpoena and start talking about some other things. You get it? If it was Judge Judy, no, Judge Judy didn't say, listen, where is your evidence? You were a subpoena to me, you don't know how to respond to evidence, and he's a super lawyer? Yeah, the judge don't say that. The judge just listen to him unrelated responses and say him going to deny the sanction. You know? But Me just think the sanction is not important. The only important part of the sanction is that Mr. Vaughn said that the only way I can see my daughter is through him. And when I really check it out and look and say, you know, I'm really right. Because as much as the mother now promote the best interest of the children, she never publicly come out openly. You get what I'm saying? She denied my mother call at 2 weeks one at a time before my sister could talk to some minor children. We didn't even know if I really, you know, she didn't even know if I really her niece them she talk to still, you know. Take 2 weeks before. So we know say she now promote the best interest of the children. You understand? But she never come a court and say, listen, I don't want the children to see them father because she can't. No one can really come out and say that. You get what I'm saying? But we don't have no judge in a Broward County. We have the balls, brethren, or the, you know, or the vagina, or the guts, or the heart, whatever it takes to really call a spade a spade. Say, listen, what kind of crime this man commit? What kind of crime these children commit? Why they can't see their father? Or why the father can't see the children? You get what I'm saying? You're talking about a restraining order, brethren, will have nothing to do with the children. Restraining order have to do with the mother. So whatever is having the problem, modify that and make the kids them have a relationship with two parents. Because nobody come into the court with any evidence. Listen, them father is a rapist. Them father abused them. You get what I'm saying? Them not come up with no evidence like that. So them can't come up and say, listen, you, Terence, your parental right terminated. Terminate my parental right, then don't say my parental right I wasn't not give me. So today, gentle people, nothing has happened for my constitutional right to freely associate and peacefully associate with my daughter. And nothing has happened today so that my daughter can have freely associate with both parents or the other side of the family. So nothing was accomplished today. You understand? Injustice prevailed. And June 12th, they're setting it off another court date for the 20th, sometime in July. I don't remember exactly which day, but sometime in July it is set off again. So that's the update. Yeah, we'll go in, I will try our best, I will do our best. You get what I'm saying? And it's just that we try to present the facts, but them shut it down. They don't want to see. This is supposed to be an evidentiary hearing. You get what I'm saying? If you're going to have something to hear, March the 31st, the court set it off, say that wasn't that evidentiary hearing. And say, right, I'm going to hear the thing. So how are you going to hear something without evidence? So you see them play games. You get what I'm saying? Them play games. I request sanction. You get what I'm saying? And I also request a best interest hearing. And it was set for hearing on the 31st of March. And when we were there, they run away the witnesses and say, all right, I'm going to set it up for this day, which is June 12th. We wait so long for March. You get what I'm saying? To come now, to have that evidentiary hearing, and we request the witnesses them again. You get what I'm saying? And them send them home again and modify the restraining order to suit the school board that was not even there. The school board was not even represented. You get what I'm saying? Robert was advocated for the school because the school lawyer filed paperwork in this case improperly because she never filed a notice of appearance, and because I respond and ask for sanction, she don't show up. You understand? Don't show up. So I tell you again, don't be as crazy as this the electrician. It's very hard to find, but I believe that there's good lies out there. You get what I'm saying? There's good lies. It's very hard to find one good one, but you have to get a good one. You get what I'm saying? And the problem is, you know, you have to have your pocket up to deep, because you have to pay for the good one just the same. So do not do like the crazy me. Alright? Yeah, so that's the update. And I thank everyone for the prayer and the well wishes. It's not over yet, but just for the update, nothing was done today to promote the constitutional right and the God-given right of these voiceless, unrepresented minors. The real problem that we really and truly having, maybe we need to start a petition to do like some other states in America that actually appoint a lawyer to represent the rights of the children. That's why we buy a domain names called Children in the Crack, because we think at some point in time we need to address that little thing need to be fixed. And maybe this is going to be some form of landmark issue when it's really resolved. Or it's maybe it's a landmark right now, because down to the policemen, the security guard, them at the courthouse know of this case. You get what I'm saying? So don't take my daughters them off the prior list. Alright? We are still alive. Blessed.